Hi, welcome to Flower of the Day series. Today's flower is the Bougainvillea flower. We all know the Bougainvillea flower, which has tiny white flowers in the middle, surrounded by brightly colored petals. Actually, these are not petals, these are the brightly colored leaves itself. Flower is just only in the center. This tiny white flower mirrors an innocent beauty of the soul, which may be in need of uplifting inspirations and colorful possibilities. This flower energy represents the vibration of joy. It relaxes our body, deepening our breathing, and relieves all the stress and tensions from it. Now, gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath and imagine lots of bougainvillea flowers appearing as a bunch together. We just see the tiny little white flowers in the middle of them, surrounded by colorful leaves around it. The leaves are very paper textured and transparent. Imagine bathing in and around the vibration of joy from the bougainvillea flower. Relaxing your body completely, mirroring the innocent beauty of your soul. Wonderful. Making you feeling safe and protected, supported and nurtured, clearing away any and all loneliness, any separation, confusion in our mind, filling it up all with the feeling of wonderful joy and serenity. Beautiful. Thanking the flower essence. Now, take a deep breath and gently open your eyes. If you like this video, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.